Yes, the
On
next
the first one. Okay. So on the first one, they signed something?
It's on the DNA order, but there's no court date on there.
Oh.
It's
DNA.
behind the citation.
Yeah, this.
That's the citation for him and for her. And it's behind her. Yes.
They.
That's what I'm saying. They signed it and what qualify as an answer. There's no court date.
Yeah, that's here. Okay, this is cause number 2021-61232 in the interest of Brennan Guo. Court will note that the mother not present, she was personally served on October 12th, 2021 at 8:46 a.m. at 15455 Ella Boulevard, apartment 81 in Houston, Harris County, Texas. The father's not present. He was personally served on September 30th, 2021 at 2:34 p.m. at 10513 Murray Way, Houston, Harris County, Texas. They both appeared and signed an order for parentage testing in court, and then they were notified or attempted to be notified of this Zoom hearing by certified mail. The notice to the father was delivered, and notice to the mother went unclaimed. Nevertheless, there was at least attempted notice. The notice to the father was delivered on May 11th, 2022 in Houston, Texas. And we'll proceed by default.
Yes, Judge, and I would like to ask the court to take judicial notice of the genetic testing results that do not exclude the non-custodial parent Zachariah Matt Gambrell as the father of this child, Brennan Asher Guo.
Court will note that the DNA test report would indicate that the alleged father, Zachariah Gambrell, is not excluded as biological foster of the tested child, Brennan Guo.
Yes, Judge. And for the record, my name is Kavita Sharma for the state, and I'd like to ask that the court recognize and name Mr. Gambrell, Zachariah Gambrell, as the father of the child. And furthermore, the Office of the Attorney General does non-suits its request for surname change, conservatorship, possession and access, child support, medical support, dental support, and retroactive child support, retroactive medical support, and retroactive dental support. And that's all for the state, Your Honor.
All right, the court will approve the order submitted. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
And Ms. Gore, you'll
Gentlemen.
press *6 to unmute yourself, please.
I don't have anything. Oh, wait. All right, this is cause number 2013-10135 in the interest of Sadia and Ava Rena, Sadia Gore and Ava Ratliff. All parties and witnesses, please raise your right hands and be sworn. Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
All right, ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the children.
My name is Brittany Gore, and I'm the mother of the children.
All right, and representing the state of Texas Attorney General's office.
Luis Regla.
Court will note that the non-custodial parent, Kenyatta Ratliff, is not present. He was personally served on March 29, 2022 at 10:04 a.m. at 4736 Carmen Street, Apartment C in Houston, Harris County, Texas. And he has not appeared or filed an answer. Is that correct, Mr. Regla?
That's correct, Judge.
We'll proceed by default.
Thank you, Judge. And also offer what's been marked as State's Exhibit A, the pay record in this case, and I ask that it be admitted.
All right, Ms. Gore, have you had an opportunity to look at this pay record?
Yes, I have.
Do you have any objections to me admitting it into evidence?
No, I don't.
All right, State's Exhibit A is admitted.
Thank you, Judge. Next, I'll call the mother as a witness. And ma'am, in the first court order that was done, back then you and the father only had Sadaya, correct?
Yes, correct.
Since then, you'll now have a second child, Ava, is that correct?
Yes, correct.
Okay. And so today we're here to establish that he is a biological father of Ava and then to modify the old court order. Would you agree with that?
Yes.
Okay, and what is Ava's date of birth?
8/12/2020.
Okay, and have you ever been married?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever alleged anyone else could possibly be the father of Ava?
No.
And in fact, is Mr. Ratliff the true biological father of Ava?
Yes.
Okay. And going forward, would you agree that the court should appoint you and Mr. Ratliff joint managing conservators of Ava and allow you to have the exclusive right to determine where she lives within Harris and surrounding counties?
Yes.
And you're fine with the father getting a standard possession order for Ava?
Could you repeat that? I could barely hear you.
Yes, ma'am. Would you be in agreement that the court should appoint or allow the father to have a standard visit schedule for Ava?
Yes, I agree.
Okay. And that the court should take a judgment on child support arrears in the amount of $1,832.87 as of May 31st, 2022, and order the father to pay that to you at $60 a month beginning July 1st, 2022.
Yes.
And also agree that the court should order a medical support judgment in the amount of $521.52, also as of May 31st, 2022, with the monthly payment of $53 a month, also to begin July 1st, 2022. Is that also your agreement?
Yes, I agree.
And that the father at this point, we believe he just earns cash under the table. We don't have proof of how much money he makes, so we're proposing to use minimum wage presumptions for the father's income. Is that also correct?
Yes, correct.
Now, we were able to verify that he in fact has a court order to support 4 other children for both child support and medical support. Is that also correct?
Yes, correct.
And therefore guideline child support applied to his net income is 18.33% going forward. Is that also correct?
Yes, correct.
Now, your 2 girls have government health insurance, is that right?
Yes.
Do you agree with the state that the court should order guideline medical support of $38 a month to begin July 1st, 2022?
Yes, correct.
And that would result in guideline child support of $203 also to begin July 1st, 2022 and monthly thereafter. Is that also your agreement?
Yes, I agree.
And you have no issue with this father knowing where you live or you work, is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
And do you believe this proposed default order is in the best interest of your daughters?
Yes, I do.
And are you asking the court to grant this default order against Mr. Ratliff?
Yes.
Judge, I'll pass the witness at this time.
All right, the court will approve the order submitted. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. And thank you, ma'am. You can hang up now.